My name is Anisha Jaishankar, and I am the Neuro-Linguistic Programming and Life Coach at Camp Splendor. Before we proceed, I'm going to quickly play our Camp Splendor promo. See you on the other side. Welcome back. At Camp Splendor, we offer a wide range of adventure activities such as kayaking, jet skiing, paddleboarding, and trekking. We also offer accommodation and food for all our guests on site. If due to the current COVID restrictions, you're unable to travel to Camp Splendor in person, we are still organizing virtual coaching or training programs for both individuals and groups. Some of the topics that we cover are high performance coaching, leadership excellence, introduction to neuro-linguistic programming, leading virtual teams, personality development, life coaching, and many other interesting topics that you can find on our website campsplendor.com. We can also tailor these coaching programs to your individual or group needs. Please contact us to discuss these in detail. Now, my background is mainly in human resources, learning and development, and coaching. I have experience working in both India and New Zealand and have worked for organizations such as Ministry of Education of New Zealand, Department of Prime Minister and Cabinet of New Zealand, Civil Defence, Met Service, and many more. Working across different departments with a multicultural workforce has helped me develop a unique coaching style that caters to different types of people. Coaching is a wonderful option if you're looking to personally or professionally develop yourself, your team, students, or anyone else. You can find information about our coaching programs on our website. Please go to www.campsplendor.com and click on the coaching section for more details. Whether we're working with you or your team, we'll help you develop a higher level of self-awareness, communication, and understanding of all the potential barriers. Having this knowledge will empower you, your team, or your organization to create meaningful goals that excite you and help discover your true potential. Here is some feedback from my previous clients.
Things that I enjoyed about this online session was that it was totally different from all the other sessions that we've attended, which were only like PPT based. Here we didn't even have a PPT to look at, and we were put into a lot of different teams. It was not monotonous, and we got to experience a lot of different things.
The truth is, in 2 days, Friday and Monday, we've never done so many, I've personally not done so many activities in 2 days. So one major change that I was able to see in me was the first activity which was given to us, when we formed groups and we were asked to, we wrote a poem on the first day, between response. So the way my brain worked then to the last, activity, the way my brain worked, it was actually different. Probably it is not being seen outside, but everybody internally works, right? We have a pattern of working.
Exactly.
So the good thing which I felt about this program was more than somebody instructing me. I felt that the answers were within myself. So there was somebody just to prompt those for me, and the style we worked was different.
To discuss your coaching requirements, please email me at campsplendorcoaching@gmail.com. Have a wonderful day ahead and stay safe.